Just doing the garden, confirm. Getting ready for the decking, creating some levels. Digging out a ton of muck. I think we've done about 27 tons so far we've removed with the digger and the van and the dumper. There we go, hope we're sorted one day. Yeah. When you're mixing concrete, this is the way to do it. 10 metre spout. We're filling all our footings, as you can see here. Here she comes. We are day 12. Looking a bit like the Somme today. We've got some joists in. Do filling in. Over here my squeaky boots. But yeah, we've got some joists in, which is good. All nice and supported, all nice and level. And hopefully one day finished. This is day 17. Finally got some deck boards down, as you can see. Not looking too bad. Nice big decking area. Just that bit to go. Bit tidying up. All done. Finished. All done. And there's Tom, he's the lad who's helped me.
Help? Assisted is the word, not helped.
Assisted. Lovely.